Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this mini Countryman 2-litre Coupe S exclusive, ALL4. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in midnight black metallic. To start off with, then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 18-inch pair-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the midnight black metallic exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As well as this, from under your false floor in the boot, you also have the mini picnic bench, allowing you to perhaps just take a seat or making loading luggage even easier. Taking a look at the rear seats, you have your mini Yours Lounge leather in carbon black. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've found it, you are able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. This vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 34,604 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have external media connection, allowing you to listen to your own music, along with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a mini Countryman 2-litre Coupe S exclusive ALL4 that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.